Are you ready to take a big leap in your nursing career, but feeling overwhelmed by the thought of the NCLEX exam? Don't worry, you're not alone. Every year, thousands of nursing graduates face the same challenge. But what if I told you there's a way to prepare that's both comprehensive and tailored to meet your needs? Yes, that's right. Today, we're diving into IHM NCLEX course, a game changer for nursing graduates worldwide. Especially designed for BSc nursing or post-BSc nursing graduates, this course is your ticket to not just passing the NCLEX, but acing it. So what makes the NCLEX so important? Well, it's the key to unlocking your nursing career in Australia, the United States, and Canada. But it's not just any exam. The NCLEX uses computerized adaptive testing technology to ensure a rigorous evaluation of your nursing knowledge and skills. This means every test is unique, adjusting to your ability level as you proceed. Sounds daunting, right? That's where IHM NCLEX preparation course comes in. Crafted by expert nurses and educators, it provides everything you need to succeed. Imagine having access to 108 hours live lectures, slides, and even online books and study materials. And let's not forget the 3,000+ practice questions and CAT mock tests designed to mirror the real exam environment. With flexible access for up to 1 year, you can study at your own pace, anywhere, anytime. And the cherry on top, enroll now and get a free E2 English test preparation course to polish your language skills alongside your clinical knowledge. Sounds impressive, doesn't it? This is not just about passing an exam. It's about building a foundation for a successful international nursing career. Countless students have already made their dreams come true with IHM. Now it's your turn. Ace the first step towards your global nursing career. Contact IHM today and find out more about how their NCLEX course can help you achieve your nursing dreams. Remember, with the right preparation, the NCLEX is just the beginning of your exciting journey in the nursing world. So, what are you waiting for? Join the IHM family and embark on your path to becoming a registered nurse in Australia, Canada, or the United States.